Hello everyone. Linux continues to power a large portion of today's infrastructure, from cloud platforms and web servers to containers and enterprise systems. Because of this, organizations rely on professionals who can confidently manage Linux environments, troubleshoot issues, and maintain secure, reliable systems. That's where the CompTIA Linux Plus certification comes in. The Linux Plus V8 exam validates practical skills such as system management, command line operations, security, automation, and troubleshooting in modern Linux environments. In this video, we'll go through a few practice questions designed to help you understand the types of topics and scenarios covered on the exam. Let's begin. Question 1. A Linux user runs the following command: nohup ping comptia.com, and which of the following commands should the user execute to attach the process to the current terminal? A. Release. B. Jobs. C. Exec. D. FG. Answer D. FG. Explanation. In Linux, FG is used to bring a background job, started with nohup and to the foreground, reattaching it to the terminal. This allows interaction and proper output display. Other commands like release, jobs, or exec don't reattach background processes. Question 2. Which of the following best describes a use case for playbooks in a Linux system? A. To provide a set of tasks and configurations to deploy an application. B. To provide the instructions for implementing version control on a repository. C. To provide the security information required for a container. D. To provide the storage volume information required for a pod. Answer A. To provide a set of tasks and configurations to deploy an application. Explanation. Correct answer A. Provide a set of tasks and configurations to deploy an application. In Linux automation with Ansible, playbooks define repeatable tasks and configurations, like installing packages, configuring services, managing users, and deploying applications across multiple systems. Why others are incorrect? B. Version control is handled by tools like Git, not playbooks. C. Container security info is managed via runtime configs, not playbooks. D. Pod storage volumes are Kubernetes specific, unrelated to general Linux playbooks. Playbooks support infrastructure as code, reduce human error, and ensure consistent system deployment. Question number 3. Which of the following describes the method of consolidating system events to a single location? A. Log aggregation. B. Health checks. C. Webhooks. D. Threshold monitoring. Answer A. Log aggregation. Explanation. Correct answer A. Log aggregation. Log aggregation centralizes system events from Linux servers, applications, and containers into one location for efficient troubleshooting, auditing, and security monitoring. Tools like syslog servers, ELK/EFK stacks, and SIEM platforms enable real-time analysis and alerting. Other options don't centralize logs. Health checks, service status only. Webhooks, notifications not logs. Threshold monitoring, alerts on metrics only. Centralized logging improves visibility, incident response, and root cause analysis. Question 4. Which of the following utilities supports the automation of security compliance and vulnerability management? A. SE Linux. B. Nmap. C. AID. D. OpenSCAP. Answer D. OpenSCAP. Explanation. OpenSCAP is a Linux Plus V8 recommended tool for automated compliance and vulnerability management. It uses SCAP standards to scan systems, check configurations, and generate security reports against benchmarks like CIS or DISA STIGs. Other tools, CLinux, Nmap, and AID, don't automate compliance scanning. Thus, OpenSCAP option D is the correct choice. Question number 5. Which of the following passwords is the most complex? A. H3SA1D01D. B. He $ID he told. C. H3SA1D H3D. D. He said she told. Answer C. H3SAT1DSHAT. Explanation. In Linux Plus V8, Strong passwords reduce brute force and dictionary attacks. CH3SA1DSHATOD is the most secure because it uses uppercase, lowercase, numbers, special characters, and leet-style substitutions, making it hard to guess. Other options are weaker due to short length, predictable words, or a lack of special characters. Answer: CH3SA1DSHATOD. Working through practice questions like these helps reinforce how Linux concepts are applied in real administrative tasks, whether it's managing services, handling permissions, troubleshooting system issues, or maintaining security. If you're preparing for the CompTIA Linux Plus V8 exam and want more opportunities to test your understanding, take a look at the link in the description. You'll find additional practice questions available on CertBoosters to support your preparation. Subscribe to the channel for more certification practice videos covering cybersecurity, cloud, networking, and system administration exams. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your Linux Plus exam preparation.